Today I opened my virtual machine for making video and look at my network connection. No connection available, no internet access. In my real PC, I have the internet access. To fix this problem, you first shut down your virtual machine. Once you're done, select the edit option and select virtual network editor. Select change settings. Select yes option. Select restore defaults. Select yes option. Once this done, select OK. In the virtual machine, select the network adapter. Make sure you are in the network adapter. Select this bridged connected directly to the physical network and check mark this option. Replicate physical network connection state and then click on OK. Now you can start the virtual machine. As you can see, my virtual machine has internet connection. To show you guys, I'm gonna open my Chrome. Thing is working. Type hello, and this way you can fix the no internet connection problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.